say these words, and you'll hear that they all say doesn't matter the spelling. So, turn, burger, fur, teacher, person, her, bird, first, girl, doctor, word, world, learn, earn, heard, alter, calendar. Amazing, huh? Okay, so let's do the sentences together. Repeat after me after I say each one. Turn the burger before it burns. Her teacher is the world's first doctor. Put it on your calendar first. Learn English and earn more money, or dollars, or whatever your money is. It's true, right? Good job.